guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. We're back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 reasons why I love my locks. I think I made a video about this, but that was probably like a long time ago. That was probably like 2 years ago. So I decided, why not make another video telling you guys why I love my locks. Okay, before we get started, I know you guys are probably wondering, your hair looks nice. Oh, your hair, I know it looks nice. Okay, your girl did her thing. Okay, anyways, I have that. I will be linking that video down in the description box and also in the eye if you guys are interested in achieving this slick back ponytail. Like, you guys, I am so in love with this ponytail. Like, all right, but anyways, guys, this is not why you guys are here. So we're gonna get right into the video. So you guys, just before we get started, I do have my phone here. I do have the notes written down on my phone, so from time to time I will be looking down. So anyways, you guys, so we're gonna get started. I have 10 reasons why I love my locks. They're not in order, so the order doesn't really mean anything. I'm just throwing them out there. Okay, so just to get you guys, you know, just for your information, you guys. All right, so number 1, low maintenance. You guys, locks are so low maintenance. Like, honestly, you can literally just get up and you're like ready for the day. Like, a lot of the time with locks, you know, the only thing that you really have to do, like on a daily basis or like every other day or something like that, is moisturizing them and oiling them. But that takes like about what, like 5 minutes, you guys, out of your day. Number 2 is effortless without trying. And you don't really have bad hair days, you guys. Like, locks are just so effortless. Like, you just wake up and you just, you know, and you look fabulous with them. Like with locks, I believe like there's no such thing as having a bad hair day, because even when your hair is not retwisted, or even when your hair is not like welly groomed, it still looks beautiful. Like, it still slays, it still gets the job done. And honestly, guys, all you need is some edge control. Tie them baby up and you guys, you are good to go. That's all you need. Like, honestly, with locks, all you need is some edge control. Do your edges, and you know, and you are good to go. Like, this hairstyle, you guys, it took me like what, a few minutes. And all I did was, well, not a few minutes because I had to do extra stuff, but like, all I did was just spray them with some water and rose water and some oil and stuff like that, and took my brush and just brush it down, and then use my edge booster, edge control, to, like, you know, lay down my edges, put them in the ponytail, tie them down for a few minutes, and that was it, you guys. Like, that's literally it with locks. Like, it's so simple. Like, you can do the most simplest styles, you guys, and it turns out beautiful. Like, number 3 is my sizes. I remember when I was starting my locks, honestly, me and my sister did not know what we was doing, because my sister helped me start them. So we did not know what we was doing. I just knew that I didn't want them to be too big, but I didn't want them to be too small either. And I think the size for me is perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small. I think it's the perfect size that I actually wanted, because they're still full, they're still thick and stuff like that, which I really love. So honestly, I love my size. Like, it's just the perfect size, guys, honestly. Number 4, the versatile with locks, you guys. I know that, you know, a lot of people are like, you know, most people don't want to lock up because, you know, they're like, oh, it's just one hair. You're kind of like stuck with one style and blah blah blah, and how like they like to like change it up and stuff. And in my head, I'm like, yo, locks are so versatile. Like, you can do so much with your locks. Like, you can change it up however you like, you guys. Like for example, if you want a slick ponytail, you do a slick ponytail. If you want braids, you can just braid them. You know, if you want twists, if you want curly, if you like, you guys, there's so many ways that you can style your locks. Like, it's endless. Like, the amount of ways that you can style your locks is absolutely endless, you guys. So I don't even know why people would say that, you know, locks are kind of like a one style thing, which honestly it's not. Like, you can do so much styles with your locks and it will turn out beautiful. Like, I will post some few pictures of, you know, styles that I've tried with my locks, you guys, and I love them. Like, and I'm still learning more styles with my locks, and I know the longer it gets, you know, more styles I'll be able to achieve. So locks are very versatile, guys. Number 5 is my different sizes and thickness. I'm not talking about like the party, I'm talking about like the size of my locks. I have different sizes of locks, like especially since it's like up in a ponytail, it's kind of hard for me to like pinpoint one that's like, you know, really thick and one that's really skinny. But I know in the back, like I have very like much skinnier locks in the back, and then like in the middle area they are thicker. Each of them have like their own characteristics. They have their own bumps and lumps, and you know, all my locks looks different. So some of them look similar, but most of them just, they have their own characteristic. They look like, you know, their own locks, you know. So yeah, I love that about them. I love how, you know, they're different sizes, they look different. So some of them are skinnier than others, so some of them are thicker. I just wish my hair was out so I can actually show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. But if you've watched my previous videos before, you guys will see that, you know, I talk about that a lot, how like my locks, like some of them are like very thick and, you know, thick and stuff. Some of them are skinnier and more slender and stuff like that. And another thing that I like about my locks that I did not used to at first was the different length in my hair. Like I remember, like I mean, I still do, but like my hair is like different length. Like the front is a little bit shorter than the back. Like the back is really long. This is why like in my ponytail you see like there's like different layers to my locks, which I think it like it adds volume, it adds character to my hair. So I used to not like it, but now I really do like the different length to my hair, because it kind of gives it like a layered look, which I like. So number 6 is the color of my locks. So as you guys know, okay, my original hair color is a black color, but I dyed them, well not dyed, I bleached and dyed them. And when I first started my lock journey, do I regret it? No, because at that time, you know, it was cute, I liked it and stuff like that, so I don't regret it or anything. But now that, you know, I dyed my hair jet black, you guys, I'm sorry guys, the sun just went all the way down, so now it might get a little darker here. So but anyways, so after like I believe like a year or 2, I dyed them jet black. I wanted my hair to look black again because I kind of miss having my hair dark, so I dyed them back black. And ever since, you guys, I love how it looks. Like I love how my black hair looks. So, and that's not to say that I'm not gonna dye them ever in my life, but right now I'm loving the black because I had, you know, because I bleached them, you guys. So every few months I would have to like touch up on the ends, because or else my browns will show, like the brown yeah of my hair will show. But for the last couple of months, I think like for like 5-6 months now, I haven't dyed them at all. And you know, my natural hair color has been like showing. Like for example, I'm trying to show you guys like my brown. It's kind of hard because the light is kind of bright in here now, and because my hair is in a ponytail, it's a little harder for me to show you guys. But I do have a lot of browns now because I'm not dyeing them anymore. I want to just let my hair just, you know, be, because I kind of like, and I'm actually really starting to like the little brown that like peeks through. It gives it a little, you know, highlight here and there. It gives it a little character. I remember I used to think it was ugly or like, you know, tacky and stuff like that, but now I think it looks cute. Like I feel like, you know, it's showing my true hair color, you know. So I don't mind it at all now, you guys, and I'm really enjoying them. So number 7 is the journey itself. Like this journey, you guys, had like I feel like my locks really helped me out in so many ways, you guys, so many ways that I think I could ever imagine. Like, first, it helped me to be patient and also confidence. And I remember, I know my locks was one of the reasons why I wanted to start my channel, but besides my my locks, another reason why I wanted to start my channel is because of my stuttering. Because when I first started my channel, you guys, I could not talk for nothing. Like, my confidence was low, like, because of my stutter. And I feel like, you know, the more I do these videos, the more confident I get. Like, my stutter has been like it's been very controllable. Like, of course I still do stumble here and there, but you guys, my stutter has been so much better now. I'm not afraid to, like, you know, go out and talk to people. I'm not afraid to like make these videos anymore. I'm like much more comfortable. Like, making these videos for you guys now is like it just helps me. It's like a little therapy session for me too, you know. So like, I really think that my locks was like a blessing also, because they helped me so much to, like, you know, get out of my comfort zone and do these videos for you guys. In returns, you know, I'm practicing my speech, I'm getting better. So honestly, I feel like this journey has been amazing. I'm getting a little emotional, but this journey has been so amazing in so many ways. Like, so the next one, number 8, is well, that kind of ties down to like what I just spoke about, is how I grew a platform. Like, you know, now that, you know, I'm talking more about my locks, I'm getting more subscribers. You know, people are asking me for advice. Little old me, you guys, little old me, people asking me for advice about their locks and their hair. Like, you know, it's beautiful. Like, you guys, you know, I grew up a platform on here and on Instagram, you guys, because of my locks. Like, it's been wonderful. And in return, I'm gonna be starting to, like, you know, grow it even more and start, like, you know, my own business and stuff with it. So I think, you know, it's been beautiful, you guys. It's been a journey, but it's been wonderful. So you guys, stay tuned. By the way, stay tuned. Number 9 is that my hair, like, you guys, if you guys, I'm gonna post a picture of how I started, okay, if you're new to this channel. But if you're OG, you guys knew, well, not know how I started my locks, you guys. I had no hair. I had like this much hair, like this much hair, you guys. And to fast forward to like 4 years, and my hair is like flourishing. It's like beautiful, like, and it's all mine, y'all. And I'm not saying this to offend anybody who you know, have lock extensions or anything. I'm not saying that at all, but I'm just saying, for me, it's just wonderful to know that, you know, I grew my own hair. Because I did not know, I did not think that I could actually grow my hair. Like, I did not. But I knew that with locks it was possible, but of course it would have taken a while. But I knew that, you know, growing my hair and having healthy locks was something that I really wanted. So I knew that I had to go through the journey and the process to, you know, and now I am reaping, you know, what I stole, you guys. You see, like, I am reaping all the benefits. Like, I have beautiful locks, you know. It's been beautiful journey and everything. It's so nice when people ask me, is this real hair? Did you start with like extensions? I'm like, no, this is all mine. All mine. Okay, so it's very nice when people ask that, you know, like, you know, when people compliment on your hair and stuff like that. It's very nice. You know, it tells me that I'm doing something right, because I take care of my own hair. Like, I do, everything I do is my hair. I've been taking care of my own hair since I started them. So it's like, it's nice to know that I'm doing something right. I'm doing it right, or, you know. So, and then the number 10, last but not least, I know I've been talking a little too much, you guys, but last but not least is that I love how my hair stands out. Now locks are becoming a bit more, you know, more common. A lot more people are getting locks. They're, like, you know, becoming more educated on locks and actually starting to have more locks. But still, you know, like, you know, locks, I feel like it's still like a minority. you know, especially with black females and stuff like that. So I feel like, you know, especially if depending on the area that you are in, like, or live, some people, it might be like the first time that they've seen locks, you know, be like, oh my gosh, what is this, you know, your hair is so nice, what is it? I get a lot of questions and stuff, you know, like at work and stuff like that, how I do it, like what is it and stuff like that. So it's pretty nice, you know, like you can educate people on your hair. And I love the attention that I get with my locks, because I grew them and I've been taking care of them. So it's nice that people can acknowledge them and think that they're nice or they look different and stuff like that. I don't mind being different. I don't like looking different. I actually like it because, you know. But anyways, guys, I think locks, my locks journey has been amazing. I feel like it has taught me how to be patient and so much confidence. Yeah, like so much confidence. I still have a lot of growing up to do. I still have a lot of, you know, things that I need to work on, but I can say for sure when I first started this channel, you guys could see the difference. If you started out with me like years ago, like I think it was like 3 years ago, right? Like if you guys started off with me, you guys would see the growth and how, you know, I've gotten better. Like my confidence has been better, like everything, like my hair is flourishing, everything is just amazing, you know. So I really think that locks are amazing and I love them so much. Like I'm so proud of them. Like I'm so glad that, you know, it's my hair, and I'm so glad, you know, I don't know, yeah, I'm just so excited to just see where the future takes me and in my hair, like how they would look in like, you know, another year or 5 years, how they're gonna look. I'm just so excited for the future. But yeah, guys, let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, what is one thing that you love, one or two, however much. Let me know down below, what do you love about your locks, okay? Because I just told you guys what I love about my locks. Now I want you guys to comment down below what you love about your locks, and then we can chat up in the comment section. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. It helps me so much. We're almost at 20K and I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting me. Make sure you guys continue to support, and yeah, guys, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell if you haven't. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.